It is 32 degrees out right now, which is 90 degrees in American temperature. So that's quite warm, and it's not usually this warm here. So I'm at my mom's house, I'm recording this, and then I am getting into a pool because that's the only way I'm going to survive this very spicy day. So today we're going to be making a bead lizard. This is a very classic bead lizard color and shape, where it is shaped like a lizard, has two little beads on each arm, is green like a real lizard, has yellow eyes, also like a real lizard, orange little sticky gecko feet, feet friends, like a real lizard. And I don't know if you can see in the camera, as I was struggling earlier, there are two different kinds of green in this here lizard. This is a great craft for kids. This is a great craft for people on LSD, because it's simple and fun. After you're done, you have a little friend, and you can use this to put it on your belt loops. You could put it on your keychain. I keep mine on my keychain. If you're like really cool, you can put it on your backpack zippers. You could glue it to the wall, whatever you want it to do. This is your bead lizard and your friend, and no one can tell you what to do. I'm so thankful for everyone who has been like tuning into these and watching them consistently. It means a lot to me. And if you do this, please send me pictures, because I would love to see your bead lizard. Doesn't have to be this coloring. You use your imagination. Make whatever kind of bead lizard you want. Look how cool he is. Just sticks on stuff. He doesn't. They're not sticky. I'm just really good at bead lizards. So yeah, that's it. You know, it's purr chill. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. Hope you have a good spicy Wednesday. And stay cool out there, kids. Unless you're not somewhere hot, in which case stay warm. Yeah, I need to be in a body of water, so. Oh my god, it's really not leaving. I think it's inside my glasses, because my fake eyelashes are like having a very bad day. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see ya next week. I dabbed the lizard off. I'm the coolest person I know. Farewell. Alright, everybody. Welcome to bead lizards. Bead lizards are great because they're shaped like lizards and they're made out of beads. This is going to be a fairly short tutorial because once you get the hang of it, it's just like really easy to just get going, just fly. So we're going to take our first main body color, so the green, and we're going to stick the thread through it one way, and then we're going to take the other side of the thread and put it through the other way. So we have like one coming out each side, and we're just going to pull it on either side all the way until it's at the top. Whee! So that's our little bead lizard nose. Now we're going to do the second one. So the second row of a bead lizard has two beads in it. So we're going to put one on the string and another on the string, like that. Same as this one, but now there's two. And then we take the other string and we push it through both of those. Oh boy. So yeah, just like that. And then same as the first one, we just pull those to the side until we get it all the way up. Nice. So after this one, we have the eyes come in. So we're going to do one on each side and then the little green in the middle. So on our string, we do eye, middle, eye, okay, and then put it through all three. Nice. Little eyes. And then we're going to put two on for the neck. another 2 neck ones. Okay, now we're gonna do the arms. So the arms are a little bit tricky to get the hang of at first, but I believe in you. So we want 2 green ones for the little arms, and then we're gonna do 3 orange ones like that for the little gecko feet. Sticky gecko boys. We're gonna do the arm color first. So I'm just doing 2 for this. You can also do like an arm with 3 or 4 if you want him to have long lizard arms. So up to you. And then we also put all of the foot color on at once. And instead of putting the second one through, we're gonna bring it all the way down to the neck, and we're gonna push these up a little bit, and then we're gonna take the same string. F this one, we don't need that one. We're gonna take the same string that it's on, skip these ones completely, and go back through in the opposite direction. With that, what that is going to do is pull it close to the body. Whoopsies. Go on. There you go. And then it's going to form a loop so that when we pull it tight, you get little lizard hand. The same little arm on the other side. So I want 2 for the arm, 3 for the beat. Through, bring it all the way down. Here we go. Move that one up. Go through with the same side string, same string side. This, you know what I'm saying? The same side. Put it through the opposite way. Then whoopsies. Whoop. There you go. So you sort of just adjust it as you go. Here. So now we've got face, neck, and upper arms. One more little two bead, 1 row of 2. So once you've got the tail where you want it, just tie it off And make sure that's tight. I usually leave a little bit of extra string just in case it comes undone, then I can kind of fix it. And here we go, got our little lizard friend. Ooh, kind of lumpy in the middle. That's okay. Bead lizards aren't supposed to be perfect. Now he's your best little friend. Ooh. This one's real lumpy, but I love him. Love him so much. Okay, thanks for tuning in again. Next week, we'll be doing something else. Can't remember what it is, but I've started planning. I've started making a list. Vaguely. A vague list that I keep forgetting to do. Anyways, it's 33 degrees here, and I'm very warm. Love you all. Love you guys so much. Let me rephrase. Love you folks so much. Thanks for tuning in. Here's my stretchy little friend. Okay, me.